Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can set your skills and experiences in the Indeed Flex application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the skills and experiences button, and then click on the like pencil button at the top of the page on the right. And here you can add experiences, so provide your company's name, reference phone number, email, the job role, the start and the end date, and then short description, and then just click on the save job. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.